Good morning, students. Welcome you all. As we started the chapter 4, climate, and we discussed the difference between the climate and weather, elements which are there very important, which gives you experiences of the changes of climate and weather. Today we'll talk about climatic controls and factors which is affecting to the climates of India. Let's talk in detail about these 2 points. Factors affecting India's climate, this also we are going to discuss in detail: latitude, altitude, pressure and winds in details. Okay, we'll talk all together these 2 point mergers, control and factors. Let's talk about the first important thing. Can you let me the horizontal line which we are able to see, the which divides our earth in the section of Arctic, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, which is very important to convert or make the section of these zones which you are able to get it: the north frigid zone, temperate zone, torrid zone, temperate zone and south frigid zone. So these are the important latitude lines. If you remember in the junior classes you read about these latitude lines, and these are very important for our climate. How we'll discuss, just go through with these important latitude lines which are very important for our climatic experiences. Let's discuss. The most important climatic control, latitude. Due to the curvature of the earth, the amount of solar energy receives, it varies according to the latitude, and because of that a quite experiences want to share with you that polar region temperature is low. As you come towards the equator, what we are able to see, as from polar to equator when you comes, the temperature increases, and from equator to polar temperature decreases. So this is what the experiences we are able to face. What? Because of these important latitude lines which divides our earth into different zones as we discussed. So what we are getting it, due to the curvature of the earth, the amount of solar energy received varies according to the latitude. The latitude I discussed with you, the important latitudes which makes the zone: Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Temperature, what it happens? Decreases from equator to polar. Tropical region experiences the hot or high temperature. Polar region experiences the cold, decreasing temperature or less temperature. Temperate, where all the things are in moderate, means not so high temperature or low temperature. So this is all because of what? Because of the experiences of these latitude zones. Latitude which divided these zones. Very important section. Now this is what I want to discuss with you. Just go with this from North Pole to South Pole. Descending cool dry air, polar cell. You come to the Ferrel cell, rising warm and moist air. You come to the Hadley cell, descending cool dry air. And what it rises? Rising the warm and moist. Are you getting this experiences? What happens? It shows you that when you move from pole to equator, temperature increases. Same downside also we are able to see the same. It is as we move from equator to the pole, the same experience is there. Temperature decreases. So here, whether the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere or north pole or south pole, experiences, are you able to get it? How it is increasing, how it is decreasing. This is very important to understand about this latitude. So if I'll talk about my India, yes, Tropic of Cancer, which is passes through the middle of the country from Rann of Kutch in the west to Mizoram in the east. Almost half of the country which lying to the south of Tropic of Cancer belongs to the tropical area. So all remaining areas north of tropic lies in subtropical regions. Let's see which places comes. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. These are the places which comes near our important latitude line which is passing from India, Tropic of Cancer, and these are the places which is near to this line. Next we'll talk about altitude. Altitude, it means height. You know that, see children, if you feels hot, would you like to visit where? You would like to stay on the terrace. For what reason? Quite high altitude, and high altitude it means what? From surface to towards the high sky, what it happens? It shows you temperature decreases. Temperature decreases. It means when you are on the terrace, what do you experiences? Little bit cooler as experiences to the surface. So here we are going to talk about altitude. Because of that only, the hilly areas are cooler than the plain areas. Ooty is the cooler than the Coimbatore. Bangalore is the cooler than the Chennai. For what reason? Because of the altitude only, which plays very important. So children, as one goes from surface of the earth to higher altitudes, the atmosphere becomes less dense and temperature is what? Because of that decreases. So altitude, hope it is clear. It's also very important for climate and weather. As you know, altitude, which gives you lot of different type of landforms we are experiencing, whether Deccan Plateau, talk about the mountain regions, coastal region. This is all because of altitude changes and temperature experiences as varies from different landforms. India has mountains to the north which have an average elevation of 6,000 meters. India also has a vast coastline area where the maximum elevation is near about 30 meters. The Himalaya prevent the cold winds from Central Asia from entering the subcontinent. So it is all because of these mountains that this subcontinental experiences comparatively milder winter than the Central Asia. This is all affects because of what? Altitude. So here altitude also very important. As I told you when I am talking about altitude, so altitude what it shows you? Air temperature decreases with the altitude. Altitude, as elevation increases, the air gets cooler and because of the energy drawn by the surrounding. It means as you moves up, these from the surface towards up, the temperature decreases. Next is temperature decreases from low to high altitude. So here you are getting with the graph. This is what it shows you, that where the high altitude is there, temperature will start to decrease, and low, this is what? Low altitude to high altitude. From low to high altitude, what we are able to get the experiences? Decreasing in the temperature. A good example of altitude. Hope you are getting the difference between, we discussed 2 points, climatic controls of 2 points, latitude and altitude. Hope you have understood about this. If you have any doubt about these two, please let me through the WhatsApp.